Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off stupid daylight running lights. Lights off. So, I don't really know where it is. I think it's somewhere in here. But I've read that you need to take the fuse panel out. So I got all this shit out of the way. Just gonna rip this off like that. Pretty easy. Plug some shit. Some of this shit. Fuse box out the way. Alright, I found the plugs and they're pretty hidden deep down back there. So I'll move this out the way so you can see it better. And then let's show you, if you go back here, you can actually somewhat see it back there. But it's see that white and black plug back there? That's the stupid module that we really just need to take out the plugs and then we can depin one of them. But it's kind of a pain in the ass to get to. Got it. Talk about pain in the ass. These are the two you're looking for. I need to take out this greenish yellow wire right here. So we'll depin that and see what happens. I'm gonna depin the plug. Just stuck a nail in the underside to release the plastic pin and then pull it out. So now we'll put it all back together and test it. I'll bring it close up to see the one. So usually it's going to be this color on an 06, but I think the newer ones, this one's a solid red wire. So it just came from the middle of the three right there. So whatever one that is the one you'll take out. I think it's, I can't read anything on there. I think it's number 5. But anyway, we'll put it back, or partially back, and test it. Now for the moment of truth. Will they stay on when I turn the car on?